Hello, I'm Jan Dolzer at Sutter Instrument. Today we'll show you a short tutorial about checking the correct function of the pulleys on your Sutter horizontal puller. A pulley that doesn't spin freely is one of the factors that may cause variability of your pull results. So our tech support may ask you to check the proper function of the pulleys and a number of other components. This tutorial applies to the Sutter P97, P1000 and P2000 pullers and certain discontinued models.
Each Sutter horizontal puller has 4 pulleys, one on each end of the upper pulley assembly and 2 lower pulleys concealed underneath the heating element. The pulleys on your instrument may either be silver, as seen on the P1000 puller here, or black. The pulleys guide the pull cable and route it to the lower pulley assembly. Their smooth operation is crucial for the uniform movement of the puller bars and reproducible pull results. Over time, the small amount of lubricant that is contained in each pulley bearing will age and may eventually freeze up the bearing. Debris particles from the air will team up with the chemical aging of the lubricant to accelerate this process. Sometimes a well-meaning human being who applied some inappropriate lubricant to the bearings may have contributed too. To test the pulleys for proper operation, make sure the puller bars are clipped into their spring stops. In this position, there's about 1/4 inch of slack between the pulley and the pull cable. Now spin the pulley like this. If it spins for a full revolution or more, you are good. On the filament pullers, drop the front panel and perform the same test with the lower pulleys. If any of the pulleys on your instrument is sticky, that may count for inconsistent pull results. On the P2000 laser puller, it is not recommended to open the housing. Please contact Sutter Tech Support if you have sticky pulleys or need help with the lower pulleys on your P2000 puller.
This video is meant as a diagnostic tool. Please contact Sutter Tech Support for further guidance before making any adjustments or attempting repairs. Visit our website or our YouTube channel to watch the growing collection of Sutter tutorial videos.